So for this recipe, we are going to need 1 can of tuna, cabbage, and some mayonnaise. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my cabbage and I'm just going to finely chop up the cabbage. Now if you can't get cabbage, you can also use lettuce, you can also use the purple cabbage. Any vegetable just to give the salad some freshness is what we're looking for. The next thing I'm going to do is take my can of tuna and I'm going to open it up. Now I've just managed to get some store-bought tuna in sunflower oil, which is what I'm going to use. But since I don't require the sunflower oil, I'm going to open the can and I'm going to drain the tuna. I'm going to pour out all that oil because I don't need it. And of course you can use any fish that is available to you, canned or even fresh fish will do. But you'll have to cook the fresh fish first. Then I'm going to transfer that tuna from the can into the bowl. Then I'm going to add my chopped cabbage to the bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is add the mayonnaise to it, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of mayo for a whole can of tuna. Now I'm going to season it with some salt and some black pepper, and then I'm going to give it all a good mix, ladies and gentlemen. Now ideally you want a keto friendly mayo, but if nothing else is available, I guess you can use regular store-bought mayonnaise, or you can make your own at home. Just click on the I button to check out my recipe for how to do it. Now of course, if you have other ingredients at home, you can definitely amp up this salad. You could add some mustard into it, you could add some hot sauce. There are many different things you could do, but we are just keeping it really simple for now. Anyway, once that salad is mixed and ready, it's time to serve myself a nice bowl of that salad. So just put your salad into your serving bowl, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Our tuna salad, which is our lunch, is ready. And it looks pretty delicious even though it's really simple. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes, and also hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a new video. Anyway, if you want to listen to some of my music, click here. If you want to watch another keto video, click here.